Hi, I'm Amber Westies. Today I'm going to show you how to begin your nursing research. As a nursing student, you will need to do a lot of research. In this video, we're going to look at a couple of places where you can get started with your research. To find a book in the library, use the Search Books option on the library's homepage to search our catalog. Type in your subject terms or the author or title of a book to find a book. At the top of the results page, you'll see the number of results on this topic. Using the format filter can help you narrow between print books or ebooks. To find print books only, click the box next to print book. You may then want to filter based on the location. Held by library will help you narrow to a specific union library, like the main campus, Germantown, or Hendersonville. You can also click on the title of the book to access its detailed record, which includes the summary, table of contents, and publication information when it's available. On the right-hand side, you'll see the access options, or where the book is located. You'll also see the call number, or the spine label on the book. This is where the book is located on the shelves. If you need help finding a book in the shelves, please ask for help at the circulation desk. To access and find ebooks, you'll want to go back to the search results and change the format filter to ebooks instead of print books. You can then click on the title of an ebook to find its detailed record. Use the View ebook option to open that ebook. You'll want to choose the PDF full text option if you're going to be accessing this ebook while on the internet. You can then use the interactive table of contents on the left-hand side to skip between sections of the book. You can also use the arrow at the bottom to turn the pages or scroll to turn pages. If you're not going to have access to the internet, you can also use the full download option. For directions on accessing an ebook without the internet, please see the library's blog for more information. Let's go back to the library's homepage and find ways to search for articles. The best bet is going to be going to the Nursing Research Guide. Use the quick link Research Guide to find the Nursing Research Guide. Scroll until you find Nursing, and you'll open that page. On the Nursing Research Guide's homepage, you'll find links to the tabs for research, as well as information for contacting a librarian or scheduling a research coach. You will also find citation help and interlibrary loan help. On the Finding Articles tab, you'll see information about databases. This is where you search to find articles. We're going to look more at searching in a database in the second video. You can also choose the Finding Books tab. Here, there's a box for searching the library's catalog, which I showed you how to do from the library's main homepage. You'll also see ebook resources and an infographic that gives you information for browsing the shelves within the library. Next, you'll see useful websites. This is what it sounds like, helpful websites as a nursing student. You'll see links to professional organizations as well as government websites. Under Evidence-Based Practices, you'll find information for evidence-based practices. Health Statistics includes links to both state and federal government health statistic websites. You'll also find a PICO graphic to help you when writing a PICO question. Lastly, the practice guidelines includes both websites and a book for best practicing guidelines. Under Additional Resources, you'll find information for reference tools like dictionaries or anatomy. You can also find links to our dissertation and thesis options. If you have questions or need help beginning your research or even while you've already started your research, please contact a librarian or schedule a research coach appointment, which can be done both from the Nursing Research Guide homepage and the library's homepage. We'd be happy to help you with any of your questions. Don't forget to check out part 2, where we will look at searching through a database. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. If you have a suggestion for a video, please drop it in the comments.